and here we can see what appears to be a network drive. I'm just going to switch on the folders so we can follow this. So I can now click on the alfresco, what looks like a network drive, but it's actually a repository, and I can see all of the folders associated with that. Now I could be wanting to upload a file, so let's go to the marketing area, events, presentations, and here we can see I've got a blank folder with no presentations. I'll talk a little bit about these icons in a minute. So over here I have the presentation that we were working on earlier, and I can just simply drag that, drop it in, and say that I've copied that to the repository. So that's uploaded the file to the alfresco repository, and it's extracted some information from the file. We call that metadata, information about it. Now, because this is a zero-footprint client, I've got nothing installed on my PC that means that enables me to use CIFS. There's certain things I may want to do, so I may want to have a look at more details about this file. So these are what we call virtual desktop actions. And if I just drag and drop my file onto this show details, it'll actually open up a web browser and then show me the details of that file. So here we can see that the title is replacing your network drive. Again, it's extracted that from within the document itself. A description presenting on why alfresco is better than a shared network drive, and the author was Paul Hampton. So it's gone off and it's extracted all this information automatically, which now as I'm browsing the content management solution means I've got more information about the file that I'm looking for. I want to make a change to a document, so let's come, I know it's in corporate information, corporate standards, and here we have a brand guidelines document. Now I want to make some changes to that, and I want to lock this document to stop anybody else changing it. So again, I can use one of these virtual desktop actions just to drop the file onto a checkout one, and what this is going to do is run that script. It's going to put a lock on that file and give me a working copy. And I want to work on my local PC, so I'm just going to copy that over here. And then we're going to open this. And we're going to call this the latest corporate guidelines. Not going to make too many changes. Save it. Close it down. And now what I want to do, let's put it back into the repository. So we're going to move that one back over here, overwrite the working copy, and then just check that back in. So I've made my changes, I put that back into the system, and now if I look at the show details, so here's my file. Modified date 9/35, which is the time now, and I can have a look at the version history, and again we can see that there's been lots of minor version changes, and as you can see I'm the only person really working on this file. So as you can see, it's very easy for alfresco to replace a shared area on a network drive, but now giving your users full enterprise content management capability. As I say, try it for yourselves, download the trial version of the alfresco Enterprise Edition, make those few changes and get it up and running. Thanks for watching.